Hey Tech here, we're gonna talk about the NVIDIA RTX 5090. So we're first gonna talk about the performance. So when we look at this performance chat and we look up basically comparing it to the 4090, we could see a big difference with performance. And I wanna say one thing about this card. It looks amazing. It looks like it performs pretty well. It looked like nvidia took its time to really make a difference from the previous generation, as we can see the performance chat here. And in my mind, do you really need this card? Well, I would say if you have the money, go get it. If you don't, I would say wait and get it when it goes down cheaper. I feel like this card is really amazing based on the performance that we have seen. So I would say wait. Maybe you can get it. Maybe in the used market, maybe a few years down the line, it might go back a little bit down where you could get it for maybe a better price that you could afford. But I wouldn't say go buy this right away because it's really expensive. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the price. As you can see, guys, this price is it's really high. It's like $2,000 for a video card. And I would not spend this money on a video card. Personally, me, I wouldn't do it because it's way too expensive. And I feel like you can go for a lower model and still get a pretty decent performance when it comes to gaming. I think these are for people who has the money to spend, who when they spend this type of money, it doesn't affect them in their personal life, and they can do it. But for me personally, I think it's way too expensive. And I just want to share my final thoughts about this card, guys. You know, nvidia has done it again. And why do I say this? Well, we can see it's different from the 4090 as we saw the charts before. We can see that the performance of this card is really amazing. You can go up to I have seen videos where you can go up to 200 FPS. But we know that it's all AI generated. We know it's not basically nvidia giving us all that power. They actually use the software to make it go up to 200 FPS. And we know that that they think they could get it over us, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. But it looks nice. If you're looking for something different, if you have the money to spend, guys, if you think that this won't affect you buying this card and nothing would happen to you with your personal life, go ahead and buy it. If you maybe I would say wait for it to go down. Maybe after a couple years, you could probably get it for a better price, maybe from the used market. But I think this card is pretty unique and different, and I think it blows my mind to see the performance of this card by looking up other YouTubers reviewing this card. It looks amazing. Would I buy it right now? Not really. I would say wait or get it cheaper. Go down the list of the video lineup that they have other video cards that's coming out that's way more cheaper than this one. And that's all I want to say. I know I'm all over the place in this video, but I want to say thank you for watching this video and thank you for being supportive. I'll see you guys soon. Like and subscribe. Later.